What is adjustment of status for marriage visas in Asia? Imagine being in the United States and wanting to stay with your spouse from Asia permanently. You might wonder how to make that happen without leaving the country. That's where adjustment of status comes in. It is a way for foreign spouses already in the United States to become lawful permanent residents, also known as green card holders, without going back to their home country. This process is especially helpful if your spouse entered the U.S. on a temporary visa like a tourist, student, or work visa. Instead of leaving and applying for an immigrant visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate in Asia, they can apply inside the United States. The main idea is changing their current visa status to a green card holder while staying in the country. The process begins with the U.S. citizen spouse filing a petition called Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. This proves the marriage is real and the relationship qualifies. Then, the foreign spouse submits Form I-485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status. Along with these forms, they need to send documents like proof of marriage, identity papers, and financial support evidence. After submitting the application, the foreign spouse will attend a biometrics appointment at a USCIS, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, office. Here, they give fingerprints, photographs, and signatures for background checks. Sometimes, USCIS will schedule an interview to verify the marriage's authenticity and check the applicant's eligibility. If everything goes well, USCIS approves the application, and the spouse receives a green card. If the marriage is less than 2 years old, the green card will be conditional, meaning it's valid for 2 years. To remove the conditions, the couple must file another form within 90 days before the green card expires. For Americans married to Asian nationals living outside the U.S., understanding adjustment of status is important if they plan to bring their spouse to live in the United States. Usually, the spouse applies for an immigrant visa through a U.S. embassy or consulate in their home country. But if the spouse is already in the U.S. on a temporary visa, adjustment of status allows them to stay and become a permanent resident without leaving. Once the application is filed, the foreign spouse can also apply for an employment authorization document, which lets them work legally in the U.S. while waiting for the green card. This can be a big help in planning their future. The entire process can take several months to over a year, depending on USCIS workload and individual circumstances. During this time, couples should plan for potential delays and stay informed about their case status. Having a green card opens many doors. It allows access to U.S. health care, the ability to work legally, and the chance to live permanently in the country. It also makes it easier to travel in and out of the United States. In summary, adjustment of status for marriage visas is a legal process that helps foreign spouses, including those from Asia, become permanent residents while staying in the United States. It involves filing petitions and applications, attending biometrics and interviews, and can lead to work authorization and a green card. For Americans married to Asian nationals, knowing this process helps plan a smooth transition to a shared life in the United States.